Hello, everyone. This is Rajat Khatri. I'm the founder of Happy Life Architecture, and every week I talk to a happiness warrior. And happiness warrior is basically a person who has lived a very happy and a meaningful life. So this week we have on board three such superstars, three such happiness warriors who are really done a wonderful stuff, and they found the meaning of their life. And the most amazing part is they are a group of young boys, hardly 12, 13 years old. I talk to so many people, and they say that, we are not happy in life, even though they have accomplished so many things. They have a good amount of wealth, they have an amazing career, they have name, fame, everything, but still they are not happy. And the reason for that is that they don't know what is the meaning of their life. What exactly do they want to do? On the other hand, there are young boys like Arjun, like Vivaan, like Veer, who have found that meaning at such a tender age. So let me not talk in detail about these boys right now and give this opportunity to these three boys to tell them who they are, what they do, and how they found the meaning of their life. Welcome aboard, Mr. Veer, Vivaan, and Arjun. I am really, really happy
Hi,
to have you all on the show today.
Thank you.
Right.
thank you.
So can we all
Thanks.
have your introduction so that the viewers can know who you are and what you are doing currently?
Mhm. My name is Veer Bahri. I am 12 years old and I go to Jamnabai Nursery School and I am currently in 8th grade. My hobbies during free time is a bit of art and gaming.
Amazing.
Hello everyone. I'm Vivaan Prakash. I'm in JNIS Jamnabai Nursery International School in the 8th grade again. My hobbies are computer coding and tennis.
Wonderful.
Hello everyone. I am Arjunvir Mahapatra. I'm in the 8th grade. I study in Jamnabai Nursery School and I live in Mumbai with my parents and my elder brother.
Excellent. So three of you are classmates.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Great. And who's the topper among you?
Vivaan.
Vivaan.
Awesome. Great. Fine. So what exactly is the meaning of your life now? And that is the story that we want to talk about today.
Okay. So, well, from hearing from family elders, I've heard that life is very challenging and complex.
Yeah.
But right now, to be very honest, I live with my parents.
Yeah.
So I'm fully dependent on them.
Yeah.
So far, my life is good. But it can get difficult once you're on your own. And
Yes.
we should consider ourselves very fortunate that we are where we are today. But it's sad to know that the less fortunate people, what are they going through?
Yeah. And so now that you understand that, okay, what are they going through? So what exactly are you doing to make some impact in their life?
Yeah, so I've started a fundraiser with the help of Alpha Wayne Project and Keto, where we are raising funds for the poor
Okay.
and we provide them with sanitation kits and
Right.
basic necessities.
Okay. Amazing. So do you have some kind of a target in your mind? How much amount of money you want to raise through this project?
Yes, in the start, we had a target of our initial goal, which was 2 lakh.
Okay.
And
And
then within 24 hours, we reached our target. So we decided to
amazing.
raise it.
Okay.
So after we raised it, then we kept raising it day by day.
Yeah.
And by, I think, a week, we reached 5 lakh. Which was our target where we're going to stop after that.
Amazing. Within a week, you have already raised 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. That's really wonderful. So when did you start this project?
I think we started about a week ago.
Okay.
And so like once you reach a big amount and your campaign starts slowing down because
Yeah.
you've already burnt out all your resources, they
Right.
give you extra time. So they give you an extra time of a week or 4 days. So
Right.
they've given us 4 days and now we have 11 days of our campaign left.
Okay. Okay. So this project was basically started during the COVID impact, right? And is the purpose
Yeah.
only to help the people who are impacted because of this pandemic?
No, it's basically what happens is in the slums, there are no real means of sanitation apart from the water that they use.
Exactly.
So we provide them with 2 kits, which is an
Yes.
essential kit and a sanitation kit.
Okay.
So the hygiene kit consists of floor detergent, like clean water bottles, soap, masks, sanitizers,
Right.
handkerchiefs, soap bars, liquid wash. And then we have the essentials, which is flour, edible oil, tea powder, moong dal, tur dal, and sugar, salt, and rice.
Okay. So it's not only the sanitation; it's basically the basic food necessities
Yes,
also
it
that
is
you're providing to
basic
them.
because
Yeah.
firstly, they can't go out anywhere
Yes.
because they have nothing or nowhere to go.
Right.
That's why we provide them this.
Okay. So what I'm expecting is that you guys are not going. I mean, you are not going out, but you are just helping
No.
some team to,
Yeah.
buy this kind of a stuff from the money that you have raised. So you're just helping with raising that fund,
Yeah.
right? And till date, you have already raised, I think you said, around 5 lakh rupees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. I'm feeling so fortunate to talk to you because
Thank you.
every day we listen to the news and we read the newspaper and we see that so many people, they are being impacted. I've seen women who are like expecting but they are still walking miles and miles because they want to go back to their hometown rather than staying in a big city like Mumbai or Gurgaon or Delhi. And of course, government is doing something to support them. Of course, there are so many individuals who are doing so much of stuff to help them and give food or basic needs to them. But I never knew that a young group of Indians are also with us in this initiative. So I am feeling so proud of you, and I'm very sure the day this story will go out
Thank
to
Thank you so
bigger
much.
audience and probably to
Thank you.
newspapers and media, they should actually cover you that how a very small step sitting at your comfort of your home, even if that you have created this platform and you have talked to your networks to raise a fund, you are supporting someone, you're bringing a happiness in someone's life.
Yes.
Okay, so when you started raising these funds, so how did you approach people? How would they come to know that you have created a platform like this, and how can they
So
donate money?
what actually happened was I was taking a drive to the store nearby,
Okay.
and I crossed these slums.
Yeah.
Okay. And I just felt a lot of pity and like empathy for them. And I was just feeling like, what can I do to help them?
Right.
And I was actually, very honestly, just scrolling on Instagram, and I found that the Alpha Urbans page was actually offering that you can open up your own fund there.
Right.
So we sat for the prep meeting, we sat for everything, and yeah, once our page was open, they provided us with a link.
Okay.
And
We would
so
send the
that
link
people
to
would
every
actually
WhatsApp group.
Right.
So
We
like people would
circulated it
actually want to
everywhere.
donate. We
Yeah.
actually made sure that our immediate family donates at
Sure.
least 10% of our goal.
Okay.
Then we share it to the not exactly close family, but family.
An extended
So
family. Yeah.
yeah, extended
Yeah.
family. So we waited until we had 40%, and then we started on social media. We would send them to our mother's network, father's network, our friends. A lot of our friends actually did donate.
Okay.
And we've also been getting donations from all over the world
Yeah.
because they actually feel why we're raising these funds for these people who are in this time of need.
Right.
There was
I must-
actually a well-wisher who donated 1,000 euros for us.
Wow.
No, not euros, pounds. 1,000 pounds.
1,000 pounds.
Pounds.
Right. Great. Awesome. And I think this social media is really very powerful because that is how I came to know about
Yeah.
you guys. So I thought that maybe I can contribute this way. So let me do that. And let me inspire more and more people to do take a very small steps, and let's do whatever we can for the people who are like really less fortunate and provide them whatever support they need. Okay, amazing,
Yes.
amazing. So any particular experience that you want to share that you had during this last 1 week or even before that, any challenges that you came across, any trainings, or maybe you really went
Yeah.
out
So what actually happened was some of the parents weren't actually agreeing that we should raise like more funds once we reach the 2.5 lakh mark, because it is a big amount.
Yeah, right.
and it is quite tough to handle. And we then actually took a unanimous decision to raise it, because the more we raise, the more people we actually help.
Of course.
And
Yes.
that's then after that we were just fearless. We went to 3 lakhs, 350, 4, and then we just raised it straight to 5.
Right. Brilliant. Brilliant. Okay. Right. So I just have a couple of more questions from you. So now that if people really want to donate some more money, or they want to join hands with you, how can they connect with you? Do you have a website or a link or an email address that
We have a Gmail.
Yeah, we
Your
have
Gmail
an
address.
email and a website.
Yeah, so a Gmail is arjunvirmahapatra@gmail.com. You all can connect me over there. I will send you on the link where you can
Sure.
donate.
Sure. Okay. And what is the website link?
I will provide you with that one.
Sure. So both the links will be available in the description of this video. Your Gmail address of Arjunvir, as well as the website link where the money can be donated directly. Right.
Yes.
So I think with that, we are almost at the close of this interview. And I'm really, really happy and glad that I could have a word with 3 young boys. Collectively,
so much.
my age is more than the total age of all 3 of you. But if I look at the kind of exposure that you already got, or the work that you have already done, I think you are miles ahead of me. And but that inspires me that even I need to do my bit to make this world a better place to live in. Thank you so much, young boys. You are a big inspiration.
Thank
You
you
are
for having
happiness
us. Thank
warriors.
you.
Thank you for having us.
Please continue doing
Thank you
what you
so
are doing.
much.
Please support this world in whatever way you can. I really hope you are going to
Thank
become
you.
one of the best human beings. I bless you, and I wish a very bright
Yes.
future to all of you. Thank you so much for being on the
Thank you
show.
so
Thank you so
much.
much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.